Hello friends, welcome to the Silk Route to Excel at Work. This particular video will be learning nothing new at all. This is because we have completed 1 year of traveling on the Silk Route striving to excel at work. That means we have done 51 videos, and this is the 52nd video. Believe me when I say that when I started this channel a year ago on August 7th, 2020, frankly had no idea that we could come a full year of putting up videos every week. This has been largely due to you all my subscribers and your comments encouraging me, asking me questions, and credit for this goes to my family, my wife Vijayalakshmi, who made sure that the household was silent at the time I was recording these videos. My daughter Samyuta, who even during exams and her busy schedule managed to edit these videos for the past 1 year. My daughter Ishita, who is striving and did edit a couple of videos. Thank you again, all my subscribers, all my friends, colleagues who encouraged me. So this is the first anniversary recap video. We will see what we have together learnt. We started with the combining text and numbers. These were 2 videos, and this was the beginning. This link gives you the link to those videos, the first video in fact. From there you have to go to the second video. And then we learned about the sum if function, followed by the multiple lines in a single cell. This was a sort of a revelation that many people did not know about this, but then the idea was to share what I already know to help you and me, help us excel in work. The row height of merge cells. This is something which Excel has not yet given a ready-made solution. So we had to do some refinement to get this. And this was on the request of a subscriber who wanted to extract numbers from a text string. The round function. This was only the basic rounding function. And then this was followed by lists in Excel. How do you use Excel's ready-made lists, followed by a customized list wherein you can create your own lists, list of employees, list of friends, list of your gang who is going to trip, that sort of a thing. And then conditional formatting, which took up 4 videos. This was something which was on demand from few of our subscribers. And then more rounding functions or rounder functions. So this was in 2 videos using round, round down, round up. And then date and time formats. This took up 2 videos where we could learn how to format date and time into our required formats. And then calculation of date and time, which took up 3 videos, followed by the VLOOKUP and the HLOOKUP functions, which I think was largest in series, covering 10 videos. This was something, frankly speaking, when I learned a couple of new things while sharing with you what I knew. And then the XLOOKUP functions, one of the strongest new functions of Excel, which could sort of uproot VLOOKUP after the VLOOKUP existence of nearly 20 plus years, and then related to my work in the organization where I work, the Central Public Works Department, wherein one of my colleague asked for a preparation of what we call a deviation statement. This took up two videos, again using VLOOKUP here. And then the last for the series, with the shortcuts series. This again was one of the largest along with VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, taking up 10 videos. So this is it, guys. This is what we have done in the past 51 weeks. This is the 52nd week, like I said earlier. And thank you all. And then what next? Well, obviously there has to be something. Hopefully, excel at work. Reach to excel at Word. Yes, this time we'll be taking up videos on Microsoft Word. Hopefully, we will continue the Excel in Word series. Thanks for being with me. Thank you all. Love you all. Bye.